Name was High Street. It was like the center of activities here always. There were a lot of pubs here along the way. Look, Rocks is like a pub capital of Australia. Uh, Very interesting title. In 1900, we had 50 pubs on the Rocks. 50, and it's a relatively small area. So we still have some really interesting places here. Today we are going to see at least two so-called oldest pubs here in Australia. Pretty interesting history. It's circular. Don't you think so? So the very first shape was actually round, or rather half round, if you can imagine it, right? But these areas were like shallow water areas, very difficult to get from the water to the shore, and they needed a port, deep sea port. That's why a lot of that was reclaimed later. But when they first did arrived here, it was still a round. And this building, see, this is very famous Cardamom's Cottage. See this small building over here? That's Cardamom Cottage. It was designed by Francis Greenway. We'll talk about him a bit later. Very famous architect here, the very first one. Too fast? Too slow? Look, I try to walk as fast as it's very interesting character here. Look, he came here during Macquarie time. Macquarie was one of our governors, probably the most famous one. And he was building at that time. He built hospitals, schools, churches. Well, that's how this area is called Campbell School. Why Campbell School? Robert Campbell was very famous businessman here. He was the biggest landowner here, the biggest cattle owner here. So this is where his stores. He built these stores. And there was his house at the back over there. See the very last one, which looks different? See? And that was his house. So he was living here with his family. Also bought the stores. In 1843, yes. But they had longer liquor license from 1821, which is very surprising for me. But the owner had a liquor license, but not for this bakery. So it's stayed westwards for a long time. Then in 1900, bubonic plague hit Sydney. You know bubonic plague, it's pretty contagious disease. So there was a huge cleaning process here. House we just clean.
මේ ඔක්කොම ඉතාම පැරණි නිවාස මුල්ම කාලේ නෙමෙයි ඊට ටිකක් තරමක් පස්සේ කාලේ හදන ලද නිවාස. මේ පැරණිම ජනාවාස පිහිටවාගත් අයගේ ගෙවල් ඉතාම පොඩි ඉඩක මුළු පවුලක්ම ජීවත් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. මේ ඒ කොටස මේ තනි කොටසක එක පවුලක් ඉඳලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට එක පවුලේ 10ක් 12ක් මේ බොහොම පුංචි කොටසේ ඉඳලා තියෙනවා. ඕක තමයි පළවෙනිම ජනාවාස අයගේ නිවාස. මෙතන ඔබ්සර්වේටරි හිල් කියලා හඳුන්වන්නේ. මෙතනින් දැන් බැලුවම මුළු හාබර් එකම හරීම ලස්සනට පේනවා.